Morning friends. Today my name is Nikhil. Today I am going to tell you what is all about the future tense. Future tense means where whatever you want to say in future. मैं कुछ काम करूँगा, मैं खेलूँगा, मैं लिखूँगा. So that is called future tense. So there are four parts of future tense: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Right. So today I am going to tell you what is all about the future indefinite tense. Right. So the rules of future for indefinite tense is subject, then shall or will, then verb, then object, and then present form. Remember very carefully, in future indefinite tense, the present form of the verb must be used. Right? Like do, did, done. So here, present form of the verb means do must be used, not did or not the done must be used. Okay? So remember very carefully. So let's start with the examples. Right? एंड शैल विल जो है ये मैं प्रीवियस जो वीडियो है उसमें मैं बता चुका हूँ. सो यू कैन लर्न इट. सो इन दैट स्मॉल क्लास आई कांट एक्सप्लेन ऑल दिस थिंग. राइट. सो जस्ट कंसिडर नॉट प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर इंडिफाइंड टेंस. सो एग्जाम्पल्स है आई शैल डू द वर्क. आई इज द सब्जेक्ट. राइट. शैल फर्स्ट पर्सन शैल, बाकी सेकेंड और थर्ड पर्सन में विल यूज होता है. राइट. डू इज द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म. आई शैल. राइट. एंड देन डू इज द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म or the verb, and the work is the object. Right. Work is the object. Right. Similarly, मैं ये काम करूँगा. I shall do the work. Next, you will do the work. तुम ये काम करोगे. Next, he will do the work. वो ये काम करेगा. Next, Ram will do the work. राम ये काम करेगा. पूजा will do the work. पूजा ये काम करेगी. So these are the examples. Right. So subject, verb, and object. Just follow the SVO formula and learn the English. And these are the positive sides of positive form of the verb. So I'll just convert the sentence into negative form. Like मैं खेलूँगा. I'll play. So I'll just erase that sentences. ठीक है ना? Okay. For example, I will write. I is the subject, will is the verb, auxiliary verb, and write is the present form of the verb. I can't write wrote. It should be wrong. यहाँ पर present form यूज होता है. I will write. ठीक है. Similarly, I will go. मैं जाऊँगा. ठीक है. और I will play. I will play. मैं खेलूंगा. ठीक है. These are the examples of present, future indefinite tense. Right. But in the condition, suppose that will play, and these are the positive sentences. Affirmative sentences. अगर मैं इसको negative sentence में convert करूँ, then you have to use the not. For example, I will write. Then you can write I will not write. Here you have to use will. I will not write. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I will not write. I will not write. ठीक है. Next, I will go. If you convert it in the negative sentence, then you have to use I will not go. ठीक है ना. Similarly, I will play. I will not play. ठीक है. In the condition negative sentence, you must be. You can form the negative sentences. ठीक है ना. Another example I'm just giving you. Just concentrate on examples, because if you learn it, if you concentrate on examples, you will learn more. Got it? Next, मैं for example, I shall read the book. I shall read the book. ठीक है. मैं बुक पढ़ूंगा. मैं वो बुक पढ़ूंगा. ठीक है ना. अगर मैं इसको नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में यूज करूँ, I shall not read the book. मैं वो बुक नहीं पढ़ूंगा. ठीक है ना. Similarly, for examples, you can write it down. I shall do the work. You will do the work. ठीक है. और I shall write the letter. You shall write the letter. I shall go to the market. You will go to the market. ठीक है. I can or I will form the sentence. So these are the way you can form any simple. It is called also simple indefinite tense or future indefinite tense. ठीक है. So hope you like this video, and please follow my previous classes, because this is the continuous form. I mean, in the previous class we already discussed about present tense, then past tense, and now we are going to introduce future series. Okay, so please follow my lectures and follow my classes, and at the same time you have to read the books. I'm not saying that if you learn is, if you follow my class you will learn English. It is not so easy, but you have to follow at the same time the books also, right? So hope you like this video, and if you do not like it, if you want to say something, please comment me in the comment section, and whatever you want to know you can write it. And hope you like this video, and thank you so much for your precious time, and Jai Hind.